smoke, but they never do. Real trap nigga turn 1 or 2. Beat the block down, get money like a Jew. Can't fuck with these niggas, might buy a coupe. Matching, Lil D get 1, 2. Stacking, blue hunters to the roof. Capping every time a young nigga move. Fuck it, I might spend 100 on jewels. Got your bitch mad cause I won't spend no blues. Slide with the Drake, they ain't have a clue.
What's up, gang? What's up, squad? You know, I'm back at you again with another video, another banger, possibly. I don't know. It just depends how y'all like it. But I know I've been gone for a while, and I'm sorry. I say this all the time, but I'm sorry. No content been putting out, but I'm trying to work on it. You know, I'm trying to think of new things to put out, new things to do. You know, but right now, about to go pick up a KX80. It does need a little work, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I'm not building it, it's not a build video. I'm just gonna, you know, get it to where it needs to be and boom, sell it just as fast as I can. You know, try to, you know, keep doing that and show y'all how I do it so y'all can do it too. You know, cause there's a lot of people in comments asking me how I can get a dirt bike and do this and do that. Well, I'm about to show you. So, let's go. Time to go. Let's get in the whip.
Even my rich, I put points on my neck. Come with that neck, that pussy not nan. Can't get enough flesh and let pop.
Just picked it up. There it is. It's not in too bad of shape. I mean, it's missing the front number plate. And it just needs rings for the piston, but I might just go ahead and order another UFO plastic kit. I'm not sure yet. I gotta get it home, you know, examine it, look at it, and just see what's going on. But there she is. Look at this. If you've been watching since my first video, you'll know the problem. Every time I go pick up a bike, I get stuck in traffic. Whether it's not moving at all or barely moving, I always get stuck in traffic when I go pick up a bike, man. I think I'm gonna have to go get a helicopter or something. I don't know, because this is not working. Bad. Little KX80. Use a little cleaner. Everything is there. You know, everything's everything. And these are front number plate. I mean, that's nothing. It does need rings apparently, but I mean, that's nothing either. I mean, quick little flip, easy money. The fuel line is busted, but it's no biggie. Picked that up a couple dollars. But I mean, gears work, all of that. Clutch, everything mechanically is pretty good on it. I mean, I really got a good deal, real good deal on it, so I can't complain. Make a little profit. I could sell it like it is right now, still make a profit, but I don't know yet. See how this plug looks. Whoa. Yes. Yeah. I don't think that's any good. If it'll focus. Nope. No bueno. You might as well check and see if it has any spark. Try that again. Yep. It's got some spark to it. So that's good. Storage pretty much checking out. It's my other one better though. I'm about to try to see if I can get it to start. It doesn't have low compression. The compression is fairly good. but I always like to give it a shot before I, you know, break it open. So let's see what I can come up with. Well, it does run, but not good at all. That definitely doesn't sound good. So, you know, let's gonna replace probably the whole piston, rings, gaskets, call it a day. But I'm tired. Y'all, I don't know. Stay tuned for the next vlog. I should have the parts in, or it might be sold tomorrow. I don't know. What's up, guys? It is the next day that I picked up the bike, and I told you I didn't know how long it would last. I posted just because I planned on fixing it, but if I could have made a profit from it without touching it, that's even better. So I posted it, and you know, a couple hundred more, and I got a hit. So about to load it up right now and sell it. Hey, the struggle I go through. Yep, second floor, dirt bike on the second floor, man. I struggle getting it up here. Now I'm about to struggle getting it down. But I'll let y'all know the process. I can say it was way easier coming down, but coming up, man, I hate doing this. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? It is loaded up. Time to go make some money.